Hello everybody! Today I have an unboxing for you from Bellaartdenicole. Let's get into it. Ta-da! So here's their business card. Bellaartdenicole, Jamie and Nicole, www.bellaartdenicole.com, sales at bellaartdenicole.com. That's their contact information. On the back it has a QR code. Ooh. This is a butterfly fidget. It is random coloring, and so with mine looks like I got silver and pink. Yeah, I really like that. I like that a lot. This is called their flexible monarch butterfly. Next we have this 3-divider diamond painting stackable tray. It is in the color Indigo Ghost. It is transparent, slightly transparent, which is really neat. It has a silver speckled glitter in there. I've never used this tray before, so I'm really excited to try it out. The tray has these dividers in it, so you can easily divide up to 3 different colors in here. You can also, do 2 or 1. They slide in and out really nice. You have your standard pour spout. We'll try that out in a minute. Well, let's try it out now. Let me go grab some drills. All right, guys, I got some drills, so let's test this out. First, let's open it up. So I have some 954. Some 3607. Let's zoom in. Some 550. It looks very cool with multiple colors in there, I will say that much for sure. Let's see how it goes with sliding. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Doesn't look like they're going to slide or get mixed up. So let's try to see how this works for getting them out of there. First we will put away the 3607. And I would definitely recommend keeping the tray on when you're doing this, because otherwise those are going to get all mixed into each other or spill or something, I would think. Let's see, yep, so far it stayed all separate. So let's release the first tray. And let's put away the 954. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm not quite sure how that one came out. I think... Oh, I'm not even on camera, I'm sorry. I think there's just the littlest space of a groove right here, and it might have come out in there, but... Or I might have bumped it too hard. Well, let's get that back where it belongs. Come on. Oh my goodness, I might need to go grab my pin or my tweezers. Hold on. All right, I removed it. Let's try this again. Oh, goodness gracious me. Okay, so I would say one thing to definitely make sure each time you go to move or shake these is that these divider trays are down solidly. Because if they're not, then the colors will leak out. And maybe if you have the lid on, maybe that would helps with that. So that was definitely, I would guess this was probably a user error. I have another one of these that I ordered that I'll be unboxing here pretty soon. I'm a little behind on my unboxings, but when I try out the other one, we will try to do it with a little bit more intelligence. See if that makes a difference, because it might. Okay, so the one thing I would say that is a little irritating is is that they do get kind of stuck in the side here. So what are you gonna do though? All right, let's put these 550s away and continue with the unboxing, huh? Yeah, sounds great to me. Yeah, maybe if you have the lid on, you won't have those sliding to the next compartment when you are pouring them out. All right, let's see what we got next. Let's zoom out here. All right, we have this really pretty butterfly sticker. I also ordered this 6-placer. It's a curved end one. I've never tried a curved end one, so I'm eager to try that out. And these are a set of 2 smalls and 1 large in the color rose gold. That is super pretty. Oh my goodness. It's shiny. It has a metallic hint to it. That's unfortunate. I hope it won't affect the quality of using that. I'm gonna try that out in a minute. Oh yeah, that's such a pretty one. All right. Let's try this one out. Gotta grab some drills. We'll do the 550 again. I think I can zoom in on this one. Now the drill, I do notice that the drills kind of jump over that one spot. So I'll try it out for a little while, see how much of an issue it is, and then I may need to contact them about this. With 3D printing, you're going to have little defects here and there, but this one, I feel like that kind of compromises the working quality of the drill tray. So that goes a little bit beyond just aesthetics. Anyways, guys, this is my recent, well, no, it's not my most recent, but it is the next in line of my purchases from Bellaartdenicole. The 3 divider trays also stack with their others, as you can see, which is one of the things that I just absolutely adore about this system, is how they all stack up. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on what time you're watching this. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Hit the notification button to know when I post, because I don't have a set schedule for posting. I just post whenever I have a chance. So thanks, guys. I will talk to you next time. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back again, and you thought I was saying goodbye. I thought I was saying goodbye too. I did want to mention an after note on this tray defect here. I contacted the company, and not only are they sending me a replacement tray, but they're letting me keep this one because this part of it is still definitely usable. So, you know, I absolutely love this company. I'm sure I've said it before, but I truly think they're awesome. I like to support small businesses. I love their products. They are super friendly people, and I'm grateful for what they have to offer. So anyways, I wanted to let you guys know that, and for real this time, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.